How to play games in Messenger with friends. Hey everybody, welcome back to our Fisher Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can play games with your friends in your Messenger. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to any of your web browser. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome. Then at the top search bar, type in Messenger Games. You will see this search result from web sources. Then tap on the link that says Play Games during Messenger video calls. Once you have done that, scroll below and it says that to access the games, start a video call on Messenger and tap the group mode on in the center, then tap on the play icon and browse through the games library. Tap on to access the game option. At this page, you can see how and what you should do to start a game in your video call. So for you to start a game, there should be enough people in a video call. Once you are in a group video call, you will be able to access games in your games library. And that is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.